understanding environmental hazards during recreational activities. Welcome, nature enthusiasts. In today's segment, we will explore the importance of understanding and mitigating environmental hazards during recreational activities.
Setting the stage. Imagine yourself surrounded by the beauty of nature, ready to embark on an exciting recreational adventure. However, it is crucial to be aware that our action can have unintended consequences on the environment. Let's explore some environmental hazards to ensure we can enjoy nature responsibly.
Environmental hazard can manifest in various forms, from physical alteration to pollution. Let's discuss a few common hazards you may encounter during your recreational activity.
Trail hiking. As you hike along the scenic trails, be mindful of the potential hazards you may encounter. This includes soil erosion caused by improper trail usage, disturbance to wildlife habitats, and the introduction of invasive species through contaminated hiking.
Water-based recreational activities. Whether you are swimming in a lake, kayaking in a river, or snorkeling in the ocean, it is essential to be aware of potential environmental hazards. Water pollution. It is a significant concern. Avoid introducing pollutants such as sunscreen, chemicals, plastic waste, or detergent into the water, as they can cause harm to the aquatic life and degrade water level. Coral reef protection. When snorkeling or scuba diving around coral reefs, take care not to damage the delicate coral structures. Even a slight touch can cause irreversible harm to their important ecosystem.
Camping and campfire. Camping provides an opportunity to connect with nature, but it's crucial to keep environmental hazards in view. Campfire safety. When building a campfire, follow designated fire pits and guidelines to prevent accidental wildfires. Remember to fully extinguish the fire before leaving the area. Leave no trace principles. Adhering to leave no trace principles is essential. Pack out all trash, dispose of waste properly, and respect the natural environment by minimizing or eliminating.
Now that we understand the potential of environmental hazards, let's explore some ways to mitigate this risk and ensure a sustainable recreational experience.
Responsible gear usage. Choose eco-friendly and sustainable gear for your recreational activities. Opt for biodegradable sunscreen, reusable water bottles, and gear made from environmental friendly materials.
Education and awareness. Stay informed about the local environmental regulations, guidelines, and conservation efforts by educating ourselves and spreading awareness. We can contribute to the preserving of environment for future generations.
As we wrap up our discussion, remember that enjoying nature responsibly is a